These are the Loddie Doddie Chalk Markers. It's assorted colors. On each one, it's going to tell you exactly how to do it. It does have the reversible tip. So on one end of the tip, you're going to have a chisel, and the other one, you're going to have more of a fine point. So you can decide which one you choose to use. I'm going to show you here. It tells you on the instructions on each pen, quickly, you need to shake it, push down, and write, and recap. Let me show you from start to finish how exactly I do this. This one hasn't been used. This is the fine point tip one. This isn't the chisel. So I'm going to shake it up really good, okay? And then you're going to need some kind of scrap piece of paper or something that you can push down on that you don't mind having ink on it, okay? I'm going to show you. It might take a couple little pushes here, but you're going to push down until you see that white marker part. It's going to start getting the blue soaking into it. See it? And you're going to want to completely cover that in the blue so that you can use it completely without creating any gaps in your writing. So that's perfect. Let me show you how smooth and gorgeous this writing is. It goes on so pretty. Look at that. Super bright, super vibrant. Love these chalk markers. I am a huge believer in them. I use them for seasonal things, for events, for occasions, baby showers. I've done all sorts of things. So I'm a huge believer in the chalk markers, and this is one of my favorite brands. And I'll show you a couple more on how to do them, and then it's up to you.